So guys, in today's video, as you saw by the title and the thumbnail, can you guys? Sebunjalo sebangitampile bangilahla bangilaxaza
kanjani
lalaka wena khawa
bakutampilana bakutampilana
what's good YouTube?
Bingozi. Danger.
It's your boy Petros Educationalism. I'm back again with another thing. So guys, in today's video, as you saw by the title and the thumbnail, can you? But then in some country, now I don't believe man some country. But after singing bonus, it's about shorts, Nike. Nangibhekam kepeli emvuleni wenza kanjani yabo kumele ngishama order now manje kumele ngishama order emvulane makanyanga still angazi manya fostelela manje ngicela ukubuka ukushama order ke ngizomhlala phansi ngicela ukuthi kwenzakalani but yeah, subscribe, let's get 500 subscribers guys. Support Petros Educationalism. Malum nani so bo lapho singenza ama order again then sharp.
Everybody want to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
Guys, ngabangani engibelieve ukuthi ikhambana yasemfana. We woke up and Pakistan. But I can't tell you right now why. Hey, but you guys, you won't believe it. What she did. I want to shower 9 bula, mara still. I don't care, rain or no rain. I hustle. I'm still good to get it, but you won't believe what she did, guys. That's simple phone. I'll tell you guys what until the end. I'll tell you guys in the end what she did. Yeah.
Let's get it done. I'm in the morning, so I'm back to set it up. Fresh, bigger than magic, got some gold, no cagey. Must have been chilling, I'm a king, and I'm getting a glitch. I'm a baby, I'm
before you tell a lady that I'm lazy fellas are today, I'm channel. That's all available. So yeah guys, it's the next day. Yana is a food. Yeah, hey, however the kids go omnyana. Yeah, hey. Ngaza kanjile yabo. Ngizonitshela ngifuna nani like ningitshele ukuthi yo right lento ayenzile but yeah mina naye sitisa like decide ukuhlukana yabo but ngizonitshela kuhambana ithola yeah no singishaya ama order vele yeah
kanje
yeah uzokutshela hi Chase early feel like I'm professional you see so that's what I'm professional yeah guys no short into one yabo so ngilanda lento le for kuzoprint ihood one custom and I'm pretty easy man
Easy out of here.
yeah so melo kube nesizwe ikhambana onikhedu Asho ukuthi sengizovele ngizambisa wathi lezi yabo. Since la seyikhalisekile.
Hambisa wani.
Ngizambisa ngicela yonke into once.
Ama-order afana la wonke. Ayiniyaphusha yonke.
Konje i-service yami inama ngiyakhohlwa lento. Ngithenge ngokuningi. Kuthi kuphi? Yo, nase Cape Town. Khona umuntu ongibonile ngathi waseNamibiya nangu lapha. Now uthenge nje yami. Not la.
Awubi asesenzele ivideo ibe unique nyana.
Yeah, makasekulona for le video now.
No.
Lo comment awathathe. Nayi comment yakhe la ithi yabona waseNamibiya.
Ulo.
Uveza wani. Okwamfizi. Bazomfuwa. Bazomfuwa bamfuna imali esiriya seshini. Yeah, yankolota kophethe blog apa. Amanye ngabuya kolota lo futhi. Nazotshela mina ngithelling you. Ngitshela. Ubhekelele ntwana yami.
For danger.
Yo.
Ready for danger.
It's ready for danger and ready for Valentine and ready for love.
Yes.
And I love love. Why, man?
Yeah, as the professional photographer, tell her in return.
Professional photographer. Yeah, like I'm a photographer. Like.
See me.
Le.
Ah, oh.
I got tape. Why got tape? Why better got tape? Now it's vlogisa kabuhlungu.
No.
Athi simambisa kabuhlungu. Nathi usivlogisa kabuhlungu because of na. Yabo xabana nabantu nofonini. Somele nisubscribe ngithe 100k subscribers. Ngithenga imoto ngeke nisaphinde ngibone ngokho. Asingathenga imoto. Ubhoka kuyaphela. Ngibuza abantu angiqapha ukuthi bane skill, bane experience njengawe, German. Guys nabo. Kule channel ngipost course. Ke channel ni. Post wakala kusipost. Shaman ngekhuluni. Shaman tek bekade okay sister please. Wena ungiphethele le ncane mamela ngiphethe leyo. Phethela le encane. So
Yo, why yasisinyase?
Yes.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Otherwise, guys, no. Oh, kala ngitekele le cap. Lengoma le ngidedicate la ku someone. Uyazazi. Kama la kekala ngubhalisa.
Yeah.
Cut.
Take one. The first. Yeah. Kokakuswaka. Yeah. How many emergency na kuba?
Sisi wafiti kinatso lesitaka si wafita awata utamthola Facebook IG thola sitaka si.
Yeah, sure. Combination. Our team, Facebook, Instagram, combination, TikTok.
Subscribe.
Yeah, sure. Subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel. Now my channel. Yeah, Facebook.
Okay, subscribe to
Yeah,
Mocha.
Bitches.
yavala.
Yeah, Karojika.
Oh,
Rosander. Hey,
whoa, yang lima.
yeah. Maya Amazon cat.
Oh,
Yes, yes. Quite.
ngandisi-order angisona. Okay guys, samon yabona sengizihambisa riding ndayiphepha ama-order nyana 2 different locations. Thank you for the support. Yabo ingenze ukuthi ngikhohlwe nokuthi i-video ingani ngoba ngibusy like yabo mangibusy ngenzela nina ama-order angisona. Invite my happy place so support enda. Yeah. Sisephephe la yini. Abanga dai ding ngihambisa nge-plastic lase box. Mahayi on. Yeah, guys, setukuhambisa phela ama-order ngisona. Ngiqhubekeni ningisupport. Phela leya iye eMpumalanga cabangani. Yo, setukuhambisa leya phep leya baya-confirm la iseMpumalanga. And lapho mina ngihlala eGauteng, okay, so ngathi zwakale to the world. Yeah guys, back to reality guys. Ngicabanga uyolala no before ngizonitshela le ndaba yabo. So yeah, subscribe. Khathela qaba ne zohamba nonyolala and then mangivuka yazi maybe ngizovuka jumpers late nyana ngizonitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani ngizona but no into engifokwenza ukulala at least ama-order ngenze ukuthi ngikhohlwe into esibayo so ngibuza futhi
Uthi batampelile.
guys singitshele kahle mbomo wami guys nabo abangani bamfili bazile bazongibona yabona ukhaki no-dubs hayi wena mlungu yabo sekunjalo sebangekudampile bangilaxaza
Kanjani lo?
lalaha wena khawa
Batampelana. Batampelana.
into engekho
Ayi kontona.
I feel like sebangithathile
Akuba.
amashita manje yo wathi bakhothi bantu yenza ibe kabuhlungu.
Yeah, man, ukuthi yangiyetha nami le ndaba yazi. Isweni
Owayikhetha wena
kanjani?
nabantu bami bengithi vele ngizobatshela uthola ukuthi ya guys balise ngidambile yabo ngidambile
So i-boys holiday kwa. So i-boys holiday kufanele nathi.
ya no sekuyi-machita manje boys holiday ngoba futhi ladies I'm back on the streets sengazi market I'm back on the streets feeder until balise ngidambile thola safuna ukuhlanganisa nami out of the blue until mara vele besikafuna ukuhamba vele so yeah I don't know ukuthi manje simele ngisabona namanje ngiyabanda yanetha ngibona ngizivalele niwani yeah but at least amachita amakhona yabo azile azongibona ukuthi ngisaphile ngisasera but yeah guys ngabona nami bengenza nama-order kuzwakala yeah guys ngisupport yabo brand yami. So manje ngisupport ngingenza ukuthi ngibe busy. Ngithola ngibe busy and ngikhipha lapho emcondweni ukuthi eish boy so singing manje yabo. Ngazi ukuthi manje eish mangithola imali ubani ngizomspendela. Yeah, manje ngazi ukuthi ubani yabo mangithola imali ngizomspendela cause yeah, but i-position ivulekile no yabo. So i-position like ujola nami sivulekile no. Bazakala yeah, masivi sedada puya la khawe enkenya boy bele ka ungala yeah, masivi sawakho hey man ama-CV bathini indaba lespanini
send ama CV send via email.
Yeah, send ama-CV via email yabo ukuthi ngizochoose mina mani okay ndika ngizojola naye yeah yabo ngispendele cause yeah nozonginceda ngihile yabo izamhlungu futhi ngitsala bachidala kwenzakalayo. Yeah, but at least ngisakhona mina yabo maka lesayinganya abantu bami at least nina nisakhona mina ngiyangisupport ngiyabukela ama video nami ngibukele lena but yeah yeah this is what angisho ukuthi wenzeni
No, sure.
oh hey guys hey bakatshela ukuthi kwenzeni yo Mjolo is not for the weak. It's not for the faint-hearted, gents. Like, kabanga ngisathanda yonke into eqala ngo-P. Ivele ibheke ngeli end futhi igama lakho mawubhalisa. Hayi shem. Ngicela like you like ngicela like unga-unsubscribe. Maka ngasenza something man like it's distant like angisafuni nix eqala ngo-P yonke into naye roomini lami ayikho into eqala ngo-P yonke into eqala yabo TV S sound H N yabo like yonke into P hayi futhi nefoni yami asi-P ayiqali ngo-P ithi phone iqala ngo-I phone ngithola into engeke ngizoyilahla nje eqala ngo-P ilento pipe. But guys inkinga mangantshela ukuthi mntwana wenzeni ngizogcina ngikhala ngoba emotion
boy.
psych April's Fool. Ngiyazi ukuthi asi-April's Fool i-1 April sesidlule. Ngiyadala ke chat. Nama chitaba was guys just a prank. This time in prank nini? Ngithola. Laba beba celebrate hayi khulekanga sajola. Hayi. Tani muthi wamodlali. Owami. Awudlali tani buthi. Oh. Laba bakaqaba ngumthambo ngangeke chat. Like muthi wamodlali. But gents asuke nangamngawa. Kahle le video benginibonisa nje ukuthi what I do. Benginibonisa nokuthi isitwadla ngisenza kanjani. So as well guys saw ukuthi how I do my clothes. So make sure that you buy. You buy. I'll put the link WhatsApp what khona ukuthi nizoklikha leyo link izongisa ukhethelog lakho WhatsApp nani. Otherwise you can also buy here on Instagram. You'll get the numbers there on Instagram. Yeah, so and I heard that we have Kochama viewers or international viewers and out of the country viewers. Guys, I get stamps. Yeah, so you all are trying for the English. Okay. From now on, I'm going to start speaking English. Please don't laugh at me.
English is a 7.
I'm gonna complain. What's gonna be one? I'm going to start speaking English more regularly. Wow. Yeah. So, English was never my mother's tongue. My mother's tongue is Zulu. Yeah. So, yeah, guys, for you prank, I pranked you guys. Dalang prank Palisa. Imagine pranking, everything was it was a prank. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, it's a prank. But yeah, guys, it's alright. Nani mani mbona no. Ngathi ngala pha ku Instagram nonke. Gents, evening pets. Yani no ku Instagram yakhe. Ni commenteni ku the latest picture. Nithi Petro, this is you. Cause of no ntwana ukubo no ntwana into ngiyi-1 cabanga. At least amajita khona yi angishale around but ngiyi-1. Akasangithandi nambona mara mina ngiyamthanda. Yeah. Everything is right, guys. This was a productive 2 days nyana leyo. Yabo. Go to the world. Yeah, make sure you subscribe also. And yeah. See you in the next video, guys. Yeah. Ningithi ngibonisa ibhounce lami yabo like sengine-bounce manje. Ayithi nisithathela amafoni nini. Mashita content nagithi. Sengine-bounce. Ngithola alihleki ibhounce lami ntwana yami. Ngiyakuthola ngiyaqala ukubona ibhounce lo mlungu. Lo Vetis nalo la ke. Ngithola ngisanikhumbuza ukuthi nibhani nisupport yabo. Akahle le video le ukuthi ngibonise ukuthi ngiphusha. Kuzwakale. And then I so I appreciate you guys. I'm telling you more with the police and take it to the next level. I shall viewing yamin. Normal like it's not for a place for anything on shall be like anything show with a man do with ya. But in a pound salam to some no I am contact same to him. Young tall. Nina Walin Shelly lap for subscriber. I saw camera lap. Guys, ukanda umuntu kamnandi azibani mbona lo bhuti straight ndimsondele kanje nithi hayi nuka kamnandi ubhuti fandahe yo yeah YouTube bounce so yes shout out to you as certificationalism put another pen yes Chovele